Today I'm going to show you how to add video, images, and drawings to your Google Forms. If you're just getting started with Google Forms, make sure you check out my basics video on how to start a Google form. First, you want to get to your Google Drive by clicking the grid up here and finding your drive. Once you're in your drive, you're going to want to go to the Create button here and click Form. You're going to get started by titling your form and selecting a theme. And to get started with your inserting images and video and drawings, you're going to want to delete the first question that comes up. Just click the trash button. And then when it says add item, you have the option, the advanced options with this little arrow key right here. You can click image or video. If I click video, it's going to bring up this page, which allows me to directly search YouTube or insert a URL, a website. So I'm going to search one of my favorite videos, which is OK Go Primary Colors, and this pulled up. So I'm going to select this. It's going to highlight it, and it will insert the video right into my Google form. I can give it a title right here and a caption. The caption is going to be below the video, just so you know. So I went in and titled the video and added the caption. When it goes to the live form, the video title will be above, the caption is going to be below. I can center it, which I do like doing, and I can click done. I can then add some questions to go along with this just by going in and adding, multiple choice or paragraph text, whatever I want to do for some questions on the video. So I made my first question a multiple choice question on the primary colors based on the video that I inserted. Click done. And now there's a multiple choice question for the students to answer after they watch this video. Since this video is probably going to be geared towards my younger students, I might want to add some visuals in there instead of all the text. So let me show you how to add an image or a drawing to your form. So I want to take this text and make it into a visual for my non-readers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my drive, which is up here already open, and I'm going to go to Create and make a drawing. This is an app. You might have to add this app to your Google Drive to get the drawing app. So I want to make my own drawing. I am going to just do some simple shapes. There's different callouts that you can use, arrows, all these kind of things that you can add. You can add text. You can insert your own image and do a Google search if you wish. And I'm going to use the shapes, and I'm just going to use some circles here and take that question that I had, which was what happens when you mix red and yellow together, and make it a color visual for my non-readers. You can copy this by clicking Control-C and then Control-V to paste it. Also an option in the edit window as well. So I'm just going to put this here. There is I believe a plus sign I can add in here if I want to. And make my little drawing. So I'm going to play around with this. Give me a minute. So I started to take my question and make it in pictures. You can add a text box as well and incorporate the words in there along with the pictures. Just click the little T here, click and drag, and it will make a text box. Okay, so I added some text in here by using the text box. You can change the font here and the size here. I added color to my shapes by using the paint bucket tool here and selecting the colors and dropping them in. Next, I'm going to rename this file because there's no name currently. And then I'm going to save it as download it as a JPEG, and that way I'll be able to upload it into my form. The form or the image is now downloaded, so you can see it's down here in the bottom. I can also go to my folders and click Downloads and search or find the image in there. I'm going to head back over to my form, which is up here, the little green tab. and I want to insert this item. So I'm going to go into Image, and I'm going to find where that image was downloaded into my download folder. So once you get into Insert Image, there's a variety of options for you to pick from. You can upload items from your own computer, things from your Google Drive, or you can click Search and actually do a Google search right from this window, which is super easy if you just need some images of like cats and landscapes and those kind of things. So I'm going to click Upload, and it says right here that I can just drag this item into here. If I go down to the bottom and bring up that folder again, I found it right here. I just can click and drag it over, and it's going to upload it. The image is going to automatically pop up into your Google form. It's going to ask you to title it if you want to. You can put question 1 on there if you want to, just to help identify it. And the hover text just means like when you hover over it, something's going to appear in a little yellow box. And now this is going to coordinate better with my multiple choice question that I added earlier. I can just click and drag this so it goes below. And then it's going to... So I moved the multiple choice question down here, and now I can see I have, when I scroll up, my video, a visual question, and then the text question for the students where they would put the answer right there. And the best part I like doing is seeing what my form looks like live. So I click View Live Form. It will load in another page, and here is your actual form that the students are going to see. So there you have it, a quick way to add video, images, and drawings to your Google Forms. So if you like this video, don't forget to head over to Creative Corner, Adventures of an Art Teacher, my blog, where I do lots of videos and tutorials on Google Drive and other things related to art education.